What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this GM remote key fob. So this key fob is the 5-button version. You may have a different number of buttons on your fob, but the battery change procedure will be the same. And this remote's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using is a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab the fob and we're holding it like this, and then we take a look down on the key ring on the bottom down here, on the one side we see this small little notch right here. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch like that, and then just carefully kind of work my way up, and you'll see it'll split the shell apart like that. And then we can just pull the remote the rest of the way apart with your hands. Now we see the circuit board and the battery right here. The circuit board will just come right out like that. And we can pull the battery out. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Push that battery all the way in that holder like that. And we can put it back in the case and snap the case back together. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.